Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this Power Wash and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, this is actually my own handle here. I previously got a Dawn Power Wash that came with a handle, but I want to emphasize here, this right here, which is actually a refill bottle right here. Now, you can get them in a multi-pack, which is great. You can get a lot of these Power Washes here, and it's very easy to go ahead and replace them. You just take your handle from your old unit and go ahead and just twist off and pull up, and then go ahead and pop it into the new unit and just simply twist it until it kind of clicks into place there, and then you're good to go. It's just that easy to go ahead and replace the actual unit here of the Power Wash, which I really like a lot. And again, they are nice and large refill packs here, which is great. I get a lot of Power Wash. We've been using Power Wash for quite some time, and I've been so impressed with it. It does a great job, at least in my experience. We've had really good experience with this Dawn Power Wash. So if you guys are looking for a nice refill pack, there's quite a few here in this pack, and I would highly recommend these. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.